Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate our pages without using a plugin. So for this, you can just go to your dashboard and click on the pages to see if there is any option of duplicate or not. So just hover on the pages and see. So there is no option of duplicate here because there is no plugin of duplication currently. So you can just go to the appearance and file editor. Now go to the function.php and paste a code which I share with you in a description link. So you can just go to that link and copy this code and paste at the end of function.php file. This is the code for duplicating the pages. So just copy this code and paste it here and save the file. Now again go to the pages and see if there is available a duplicate option or not. Hover on the pages and you can see now there is option of duplicate available. So for duplicating the page, you can just click on duplicate and you can simply duplicate that page. Now you can change this page name for whatever you need and publish it. So all the design will be same. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.